If you use OneDrive regularly and want faster access to your files, pinning OneDrive to Quick Access is a great solution. Quick Access is a feature in Windows File Explorer that allows you to keep your most important folders and locations just one click away. By adding OneDrive to Quick Access, you can open your cloud files instantly without navigating through multiple folders every time. The good news is that pinning OneDrive to Quick Access only takes a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to pin OneDrive to Quick Access in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, make sure OneDrive is installed and signed in on your computer. Most modern Windows computers already include OneDrive, but if it is not set up yet, sign in with your Microsoft account and allow your files to sync. Now, open File Explorer on your computer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on the taskbar or by pressing Windows key and E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer opens, look at the navigation panel on the left side of the window. You should see OneDrive listed somewhere in the navigation pane. Depending on your Windows version, it may appear as OneDrive Personal, OneDrive Business, or simply OneDrive followed by your account name. To pin OneDrive to Quick Access, right-click the OneDrive folder in the navigation pane. A menu will appear with several options. Click the option labeled Pin to Quick Access. As soon as you click this option, OneDrive will appear under Quick Access near the top of the File Explorer navigation panel. From now on, you can access your OneDrive files instantly by clicking the Pin shortcut. If you do not see OneDrive in the left navigation pane, navigate to the OneDrive folder manually through File Explorer. Once you locate the folder, right-click it and select Pin to Quick Access. The result will be the same. Another easy method is using drag and drop. Locate your OneDrive folder, click and hold it with your mouse, then drag it into Quick Access on the left side of File Explorer. Release the mouse button when Quick Access becomes highlighted. Windows will automatically pin the folder for you. After pinning OneDrive, you can rearrange the order of items inside Quick Access. Simply drag the OneDrive shortcut higher or lower in the list to place it exactly where you want it. If you ever decide you no longer want OneDrive in Quick Access, right-click the shortcut and select Unpin from Quick Access. This removes only the shortcut and does not delete any files from your OneDrive account. Keeping Windows and OneDrive updated is another good idea. Updates often improve File Explorer performance, synchronization reliability, and integration between Windows and OneDrive. OneDrive pinned to Quick Access can save time every day, especially if you frequently open cloud documents, photos, videos, work files, or shared folders. Instead of searching through multiple locations, everything becomes available with a single click. So that's the easiest way to pin OneDrive to Quick Access in 2026. The main steps are opening File Explorer, locating the OneDrive folder, selecting Pin to Quick Access, and verifying that the shortcut appears in the navigation panel. Most users can complete the entire process in less than a minute using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more OneDrive tutorials, Windows tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.